explosive, the allegations against Bachelor creator Mike Fleiss.
Yeah, so he's under criminal investigation for domestic violence after he allegedly attacked his pregnant wife, Laura.
Well, he's been ordered to stay 100 yards away from her, but that's where the story takes another turn. A violent attack caught on security camera of Mike Fleiss allegedly attacking his wife Laura at their Hawaiian estate on July 6th. Laura releasing these photos allegedly showing the resulting bruises in her ripped dress. In the legal docs, Laura claims Mike grabbed her body and forcibly pinned her up against the wall before threatening to punch her in the face.
Miss Wisconsin!
Laura, the 2012 Miss America winner, claims the alleged attack happened after her husband demanded she get an abortion. She's 10 weeks pregnant with their second child. The 55-year-old Bachelor creator had allegedly told Laura, 31, that he did not want more than one child. The blast who broke the story is now reporting Fleiss's response. He claims it was Laura who hit him and has now disappeared with their 4-year-old son, Ben. According to the blast, Fleiss did not want to have another child as Laura had issues with emotional stability and had a difficult time caring for Ben when he was a baby. Fleiss believes she was on birth control. But now Mike has released to the blast what he claims are revealing text messages from Laura sent 2 days before the alleged attack. They say, "I'll do whatever it takes to make this up to you. If it means going to an in-house rehab facility, I will." Laura's talking about emotional rehab. On July 16th, she filed for an emergency domestic violence restraining order against her husband. Mike filed for divorce 6 days earlier. Domestic violence expert Toby Quintin-Liani breaks it down.
When I look at the pictures of Laura's injuries, I definitely see one human being exerting power and control over another. The fact that he appears to not want a child is an absolute catalyst for this kind of violent relationship because he is not in control of the situation because she is pregnant even if he didn't want it.
The couple who got married in 2014 have a reported net worth of $120 million. They do have a prenup, but family law specialist Kelly Chang Rickert says the battle will most likely be over custody.
I read in her declaration that she was in the car, or maybe she was outside of the car, and he tried to run her over. So that is a very specific incident of domestic violence that she's using to try to get custody of their 4-year-old. Let me just tell you this, the nastiest of all divorces usually starts with a restraining order. So I think there is a great likelihood that this divorce is going to be very nasty.
Well, we've reached out to both Mike and Laura. We've not heard back. I'm just upset that there's a child involved.
Yeah, well, a spokesperson for Warner Brothers, who produces the show, told Access, "We are aware of these serious allegations and are looking into them."
All right, Scott, let's pivot here and talk about J-Lo on the pole.
Let's do it.
Okay, we've seen the trailer.